There are things in life to give up instead of holding on to if we really want to move forward and become more grounded and happy. Here are 3 things to let go of or to give up in order to find yourself. But not the old self, the self that will be discovered, unfolded, the new self, that possible self along the way. 1. To move forward, let's just let go of opinions and ideas others might have about us. We can't ever be sure what they are anyway. The only important thing is how you think about yourself. You do you, and you do what is best for you, not what others tell you is best. After all, you are the expert of yourself. 2. To move forward, let's let go of shame we carry around. Shame about all those past failures, past mistakes, past you name it. Whatever has happened in the past is past. The past doesn't have to define our future. What counts is now, and what you do now, and how you show up now. All of us have our collection of failures and mistakes, and we can decide to grow out of those. 3. To move forward, let's just let go of our insecurities about what we want. We won't ever know what we want or don't want if we don't start doing something to determine what we want more of. Insecurities just keep us stuck. Decide, explore, discover, and check, and find what you want. And when you have found it, live it passionately. If it turns out you want something different, go ahead. Do something different. We are not bound to one thing. The more we try and do, the more we learn. Rinse and repeat, like my laundry machine right now.